In this video, we'll demonstrate how to block adult websites on Google Chrome. But before we dive into this important topic, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're committed to creating a safe online environment for yourself or your family. Your feedback in the comments below is also crucial as it helps us tailor our content to your needs. Now, let's proceed with the step-by-step guide to block adult websites. Open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, tap the three vertical dots to access the menu. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find Privacy and Security. Click on it. In the Privacy and Security section, select Security. You'll be given the option to choose another DNS provider. Tap on With here. You'll have a choice between different DNS providers. For the purpose of blocking adult websites, let's select Clear Browsing. Close Google Chrome, reopen Google Chrome, and you'll find that it has successfully blocked access to adult websites. By following these steps, you've taken an important step in creating a safer online experience. Remember to keep your device secure and always monitor the online activities of minors. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more tutorials and valuable information, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching and stay safe online.